Okay, folks, what we got here is a WF Wells. It's an F-14 bandsaw, horizontal bandsaw. We've went ahead and replaced the clamping nut for the vise. They typically go bad on these machines. Replace the blade guide bearings, as you can see there in a picture there in the video. They're brand new. It's a 1-inch blade on there, and so I'm going to go ahead and start her up. There were some other parts replaced too. One of the housings in the back had a crack in it and that. So as you can see, there are some dings in the door. I just want to point that out to you. I'm going to go ahead and put her here. I'm going to raise her up so you can see the vertical clearance there. And then I'll go ahead and do a close-up of it actually cutting that piece of tubular steel there. So I'm going to go ahead and raise her up. Okay, just from the bottom of the blade guide to the bottom of the vise jaws, you can see it's about 16 inches there. So it's got plenty of clearance for just about anything you'd want to cut. So I'm going to go ahead and lower it down, and then we'll start her up and do a feed cut here. Okay, so as you can see, it cuts, and we'll go ahead and check the straightness, and we'll go from there. That's going to conclude this video.